If you are seeing an error 500 on your website hosted with Hostinger, don't worry, because you are definitely not alone. This is one of the most common issues creators and web developers face, but the good news is that it is often very easy to fix without needing deep technical knowledge. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot and resolve the Hostinger error 500 so you can get your site back online as quickly as possible. Before we dive into the technical solutions, if this tutorial helps you get your site running again, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point hosting and website management guides. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the website section. From there, click on your specific website's dashboard to get control over your hosting environment. Once you are inside the dashboard, we are going to look at your file structure, which is often where the issue lies. You can either open the file manager directly through the dashboard or use an FTP client if you prefer that method. Now navigate to the public_HTML folder. This is where the core files for your website live. Look for a file named htaccess. This file controls how your server handles requests, and a simple syntax error here is a very common cause for an error 500. To test if this is the culprit, right-click the file and rename it to something like .htaccess_backup. By renaming it, you are effectively disabling it. After you have done that, try loading your website in a new browser tab. If the site loads, you have identified the problem. You can then go back and generate a fresh htaccess file through your CMS like WordPress, or recreate it manually. Now, if that didn't fix the error, the next most likely reason is a memory limit issue. Sometimes your website scripts trigger an action that consumes more memory than your current PHP configuration allows. To fix this, go back to your Hostinger dashboard and look for the PHP configuration section. Click on it and navigate to the memory limit setting. You should see a drop-down or an input field. Go ahead and set this to 256 MB. This provides your website with enough overhead to handle more complex requests and prevents crashes caused by memory exhaustion. After you update that setting, be sure to save your changes and then head back to your browser to refresh your website. In most cases, these two steps will resolve that frustrating error 500. If you are still running into trouble after these steps, it might be a good idea to check your recent plugin updates or look at the error logs directly within the file manager. Dealing with errors can be stressful, but by systematically checking your configuration files and memory limits, you can get back to building your business. Once again, if this video was helpful and saved you some time, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.